Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete our NordVPN account. So let's get started. So if you want to delete your NordVPN account, what you can do is just open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser in search bar, you can search for delete NordVPN. After searching for delete NordVPN account, you can tap on this option which says how can I delete my NordVPN account. And after tapping on that, you'll come up to this page where you can just scroll down and then tap on account deletion request form. Just tap on account deletion request form and then enter the following details and then submit the details that you have entered. And after entering all the details, now what you can do is just tap on submit. And after entering all those details and tapping on submit, you'll successfully delete your NordVPN account. So that's it guys, this is how to delete your NordVPN account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.